Okay, this is a test, let me tell you. I've been struggling for days on this. I've messed up some stuff and it's okay, everything's fine. I'm using a real raspy speaker, you can hear that. I have a new sensor I did not put in today. I've got this tiny little red thing and it's going to do a lot sharper than this sensor, but I'm still using the old sensor. I just got to go slow, and I can't do chuff and puff and whistle and bell at the same time yet. It's in there, the code's in there, but our sound bites are too noisy, so we're going to have to do chuff. Then I'll take chuff up speed, and it's still chuffing. It's not just a scream or a noise, it's chuffing. Yeah, it's still chuffing, all right, believe it or not. As I come down, you can hear that it's chuffing. I will have a better chuff sound, and I will have a better speaker, and that'll all get better. But we have now a dynamic chuff, we call it, okay? Now I'm going to unplug the chuff from its source, and I'm going to now plug in, I think, a steam whistle. Oh, I thought I was. Oh, I'm touching and plugging it into the wrong thing. There you go. That's the steam whistle, and then there's a bell. Oh, I was so dumb. I need my buttons wired up so I know which ones to go to. And if I keep it on as if I'm backing up and the light's on, you know, it'll just continuously ring that bell like I'm backing up. That's my backup bell. Okay? And then when I'm done, I can do that. Now, I can't do a bell and a whistle at the same time yet. And I'm still having trouble with my chuff in that regard too. But in any case, there's the chuff. Chuff comes right back. Okay, now that looks like a mess, and it is. This is the design that we will use. Unfortunately, I ran this off my computer using the USB port for too long, and this chip here got hot, and I may have toasted this guy. I don't know. It's not discolored, but it's not working very well. So this is an old backup board. I'm running off of Buck Boost 4 volts. I'm not giving it that much power, so I shouldn't be burning up this one. In any case, I had to show something for what I was been doing the last 3 days. It's just plus all the medical crap. Oh, and I got my bloods back, and all my bloods are great. I'm good. I'm right in the zone where I need to be for all the hemoglobins and hemoglobins and whatever those things are. Everything's fine. Whites and reds and blah, blah, blah. Okay. And I got my COVID shot, and I got my new tooth in, and I got my new eyeglasses. I brought them down here, but I didn't put them on yet. That's so stupid. I got these great glasses. They're progressive. These are hobby glasses, and they're progressive so that at the very bottom you see 2 times, and at the very top you can see about 10 feet. But for doing work here, oh my goodness, it's just, everything is bigger and brighter and easier to see. It's very nice. Okay, gang, that's the story. I gotta go. Andy has been a phenomenal support guy. He got up at 4 a.m. He has multiple jobs, and today he was going to do a solar system install for a client of his. But he got up at 4 and he worked 3 hours on the sound system for me, and he got it dialed in so that I could get it to run better. As it came from the guy we got it from, he uses a different PC. And so we had to make changes, and I wasn't able to do it right. Andy got it right. We're still working on the mixer so that we can do a whistle while we're chuffing. I have heard it. It did work. We just got to figure out what is it that's keeping it from working again, and then we're good. I think tomorrow is going to be the day. One, I got to clean up. Two, I got to get this thing figured out, and I'm going to start packing deliveries. I've got 6. I got 4 sets of rolling roads for one customer, and I've got a bunch of parts for another guy that's going to be joining the team, I hope, and helping us out. Dan in Arizona, good guy. He's already proved he could print 3D parts, so that's fabulous. I'm going to give him some assignments, and he's happy to do it. And then he'll update his royal blue and probably let us use that example for you. Okay, that's what we got. That's where it's at. And it's been a long week. I'm sorry this has taken so long. I got off into the woods. I went into the swamp. The alligators were chasing me. I was running like hell, and I couldn't get away. I couldn't do it. It's too hard. There's so many little tiny variables here that you have to be dead on. You cannot just be close. You have to be dead on. Yeah, it's not like a machine that you can take it over and file it down a couple mils and put it back in and everything's fine. This software, hardware, electronics has got to be pretty darn close to function. So, or if you're not, it burns itself up. That's another story. Anyway, there it is. The software, I think, I think it's like 90% there. Okay, we're going to get better sounds. We're going to get a better sensor that's a little more snappy, and we're going to get the mixer working. I know we had it. We can get it again, and this will be coming together in the next day or two. I'm positive. So thank you all for hanging in. Sorry I haven't been posting. A lot of this week has just been a blur. I get about 2 or 3 hours a day. That's it. I'm pulled out for this or that. And somebody wants to poke me and give me blood or take blood or whatever the hell. I don't know. Anyway, we're there now. We're going to be on track. It's going to be a little calmer, I hope. I'm hoping all those guys with the hurricane are just, they know that there's people on their side praying and hoping that they can get things back there. I saw the videos. It's devastating. It's just devastating. If my house was blown over, I don't know if I could. I don't know what I'd do. I don't know. I just can't fathom it. It's too hard. And if you lose somebody you love in that, oh my God. Okay. Trains. It's a reprieve. It's a getaway. It's okay. It's fun. I will get back to you guys later on. Thanks.